When you're looking at it, and this is the movement, and all the way coming down over here, as quick as you can. And then coming over here, there is another movement coming down over here. After you add the head over here, then add the back over here, like that. This is the center of movement. Connect with all different parts of the body. Take a look at the front of the body. It's a little bit delicate. Okay, here you go. Now you see that from thin to a little bit thicker. Keep that coming down over here and connect that. And now a little bit thin and all the way kind of skip it all the way to here. We're going. And then the back over here, it could be important, but sometimes you're going to keep a little bit imaginations, like a call the closer. Okay, you can have that little bit disappear, and then coming over here to have a little bit curve and disappear, and then to the leg, a little bit coming down over here, and on the back, what is important, and the elbow over here, and then the rest is the finger, like that. That is already good enough, and then people can actually connect that, all the suggestions, and then the neck, come some movement coming up. Here you go. And then you can have some little bit soft curl coming over here like that. All right. So those are, it just present the very soft, enhance that movement like that. Bone over here as I connect with the pelvis. Try to capture that motion first. And before you coming over here to add some additional line, go a little bit more thoughtful. Now, how we're going to draw this girl? Take a look at the motion. Another turn coming down over here like that. You can draw the shoulder like that from the left to the right. Now, I'm going to have the arm from here coming up. And a little bit, okay, you can draw a little bit line in the up over here. And then there's another line. And then you can put a little shape for the head. Here you go. And draw the line. It's a little shape like that coming all the way here. And here you go. A little big shape like that. That actually serves as the shadow. Add a little line over here and coming all the way up here like that, and have a couple lines. That's for the hand. That's good. Over here, and then add a little bit line, but you don't have to all the way connect it. A little bit line over here. See, this is very interesting. Like from here all the way, that's it. You don't have to all the way connect. Here, coming all the way, I can have a little bit suggestions for some really soft line. And then this is a little bit softer. That's good enough, like that. Interesting supporting line. Foot over here. And then on this side, some very delicate line. Like take a look at that over here. Very thin line. And all the way coming down. And over here. Here you go. And that's just good enough. And this side, we already created it earlier, right? So on this side too, and you can have a little bit thin line all the way down over here. That's okay. Sometimes it's less is more, right? So on this side, I'm going to have a little bit thicker line. Okay, add that to it. Okay, a little bit coming over here and coming down. That's just good enough. Now I'm going to coming over here and see, oh, there's the hand over here, a couple lines that, and now you come back over here. Okay, now I'm going to add the eyebrow, right? And then add the nose over here. Very nice, like a half of the, and coming up one line. And that's good. And have that little eye as less is more. There you go, little eyebrow. Right, there's the shadow, like that. And it's very cute. So I'm gonna have a very soft line. And here you go. One line over here can be darker. That a little bit darker is that very important, right? The neck over here, there's one little line down over here, a little bit shading, a softer line. So think about less is more.